Hi everybody, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can start making money on TaskRabbit as a beginner. The first thing you need to do is go to TaskRabbit.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the section that says Become a Tasker. This is where everything starts. TaskRabbit is a platform that helps people find local help for everyday tasks. These tasks can be anything from assembling furniture, mounting a TV, lifting heavy items, moving boxes, or even planting flowers. The work is straightforward, and you don't need any special qualifications or a degree to get started. You are simply helping people with things they need done around their home or office. The amount of money you can earn depends on the tasks you complete. For example, mounting a TV can earn you around $69. Assembling furniture can pay $49, and if you have a truck and help move boxes, you could make up to $67. Some tasks, like planting flowers, are much easier but still pay well. The best part is that you are in control. You can decide what tasks you want to take on and when you want to work. One of the most important features of TaskRabbit is its wide range of job categories. The platform offers more than 50 different types of services, so there is a good chance you can find something that fits your skills and interests. Some of the most popular categories include furniture assembly, TV mounting, yard work, moving assistance, packing and unpacking, painting, home repairs, cleaning, personal assistance, shopping, and delivery services. Since the demand for these services is always high, there are plenty of job opportunities available for taskers. Another key feature is the ability to set your own hourly rates. Unlike traditional jobs where employers determine wages, TaskRabbit allows taskers to decide how much they want to charge for their services. This means you can adjust your rates based on factors like experience, demand, and location. If you specialize in a high-demand service, you may be able to charge premium rates. For example, some taskers charge over $80 per hour for moving assistance, while others charge $40 per hour for delivery services. Since you keep 100% of what you charge, including any tips, you have full control over your earnings. Flexibility is another major advantage of TaskRabbit. Taskers are not required to commit to a fixed schedule or a minimum number of hours. You can choose when and where you want to work based on your availability and preferences. If you only want to work on weekends or evenings, you can do that. If you prefer to work in a specific area or neighborhood, you can set your work location accordingly. This level of freedom makes TaskRabbit a great option for students, freelancers, and anyone looking for a job that fits around their lifestyle. TaskRabbit also has a secure payment system that ensures you get paid for your work. Clients are required to enter their payment details before booking a tasker, which means you do not have to worry about chasing payments. Once a job is completed, the client is charged automatically and the money is deposited into your TaskRabbit account. From there, you can transfer your earnings directly to your bank account. This eliminates the risk of unpaid invoices, making the platform a reliable source of income. The TaskRabbit mobile app is another feature that makes it easy to find and manage jobs. The app allows you to browse available tasks, accept job offers, communicate with clients, track your earnings, and update your schedule from your phone. This means you can manage your work on the go and respond to new opportunities quickly. The app also has a messaging system that allows you to chat with clients, ask questions about the task, and confirm job details before accepting the offer. TaskRabbit provides a rating and review system to help taskers build their reputation. After completing a job, clients can leave a review based on their experience. Positive reviews can help you attract more clients and increase your chances of getting hired. If you consistently provide good service, you can become a top-rated tasker and get access to more job opportunities. This system encourages professionalism and ensures that clients can find reliable workers for their tasks. Another important feature is the ability to filter job opportunities based on your preferences. When setting up your TaskRabbit account, you can choose which categories of work you want to offer and define your service area. This helps you find jobs that match your skills and location. For example, if you are only interested in furniture assembly and moving assistance, you can limit your job search to those categories. Similarly, if you only want to work within a certain distance from your home, you can set your work area accordingly. TaskRabbit also offers liability insurance for certain jobs, which provides peace of mind for both taskers and clients. This insurance covers damages or accidents that may occur while completing a task. While not all jobs are covered, it is an added benefit that makes the platform more secure. Clients are more likely to hire taskers knowing that their property is protected in case of an accident. One potential drawback of TaskRabbit is that it is not available worldwide. The platform currently operates in select cities in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, and some European countries. If you live outside these regions, you will not be able to sign up as a tasker or receive jobs. This limitation makes it less accessible compared to fully remote work opportunities that can be done from anywhere. Another challenge is that most jobs require physical effort and in-person interaction. Unlike online jobs that can be completed from a laptop, TaskRabbit tasks often involve lifting, carrying, assembling, or installing items. This means you need to be physically capable of performing the work. Some tasks, like moving furniture, can be physically demanding and may not be suitable for everyone. However, if you prefer hands-on work, TaskRabbit can be a great way to earn money. TaskRabbit does charge a one-time registration fee in some cities. This fee is usually around $25 and helps cover administrative costs. While this is not a significant amount, it is something to consider before signing up. The good news is that there are no ongoing membership fees or commission charges. Once you pay the registration fee, you keep 100% of your earnings from each task. Many taskers have found success on the platform and have been able to make a good income by consistently completing jobs. Some taskers charge $40 to $80 per hour and have completed hundreds of tasks, earning thousands of dollars. By specializing in high-demand services such as furniture assembly, home repairs, or moving assistance, taskers can further increase their hourly rates and attract more clients. Additionally, maintaining professionalism, being punctual, and communicating effectively with clients can lead to repeat business and referrals. If you build a strong profile, provide excellent service, and receive good reviews, you can increase your earnings over time, potentially turning TaskRabbit into a full-time career or a reliable side income. Overall, TaskRabbit is a great way to earn extra money by offering services in high-demand categories. The platform provides flexibility, secure payments, and the ability to set your own rates. While it is not available worldwide and requires physical work, it is a reliable option for those who enjoy hands-on tasks and want to work on their own schedule. Whether you are looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, TaskRabbit offers an opportunity to get paid for helping others with everyday tasks. If you're willing to put in the effort and build a strong reputation, you can turn TaskRabbit into a profitable source of income.